Okay everyone, let's see how we can create a presentation. At first we need title slide, subtitle, your name, date, introduction, main content, and then conclusion, Q&A, thank you slide, and then resources slide. Okay, let's speak about title slide. We create a great title slide in the previous lesson. As you maybe remember or not, it's not important. I'm going to open it. We create a great title slide in the previous lesson. Let's wait for it to open it. I think it's opened. We create a great slide, title slide here. For example, let's say our presentation is about AI, artificial intelligence. For example, it's about AI intelligence. Okay, we create our slide. Now we need to create our title slide. For our title slide, we need the title. Okay, it's okay. We need your name, date. Okay, with your name, for example, we go with learning star, and for date we go like this. And what date is it now? It's February. We go like this, February. I'm just writing everything wrong for you to understand that we have an spell check, and it's a great tool for using. For example, it says February. For example, we are just going to try to write it wrong, and then you see if we click on spell check, it's going to amazingly make it right, as you can see. But the important thing is title slide is that you need to make the title text bigger and the name and the date slower. Okay, it's good. Sometimes you need to toggle the date. How I say, more complete, like for example 2025, 2025, or maybe just this is okay. But it's not important. After that, the title slide has been created. And you see, by using a little effect, let me just delete these things, putting a little effort to creating some effects, you create a great title slide, and it's working as great as possible. In the next lessons, we are going to create the introductions, main content, and everything till Q&A section. And I want you, until then, have a good time, and don't forget to ask me any question you have in the comments, and like and subscribe. Bye.